Keeping outdoor plants alive through winter can be a difficult task, but a portable greenhouse could be the solution. These helpful tools can keep your outdoor plants at more comfortable temperatures even when it's cold, yet can be moved or disassembled as the weather turns warm. The best portable greenhouses for winter provide the amount of space and light needed for your specific plants, offer some ventilation, and are easy to set up and take down with the seasons. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 4 best portable greenhouses for winter. Let's get started. Number 4. Emerlife Mini Walk-in Greenhouse. If you have the space for a greenhouse with shelving, consider this walk-in one. It includes 2 shelf units on each side, in both the smaller or larger size options. There are no tools required for the steel frame assembly of the greenhouse or the shelves, which are held together with plastic connectors. The clear cover is made with a durable PVC to let in lots of light. It also features a large door that rolls up and zips closed. I have purchased many assembly small greenhouses in the past. This is by far, for the price, the best I have used. Good space inside, holds temperature well, easy to assemble, and very sturdy at this price point. Number 3. Eagle Peak 8 feet by 8 feet Portable Greenhouse. With 2 available sizes that each offer a large open area, this walk-in greenhouse is ideal for storing and caring for larger plants during the winter. Assembly is quite easy, as it's designed like a pop-up tent and has a one-piece accordion frame made with alloy steel. The clear PE and mesh cover should let in plenty of light, too. For ventilation, it has 2 large zippered roll-up doors as well as 2 zippered roll-up windows with mesh covers. It doesn't come with shelving, but you could definitely add your own to configure a customized setup perfect for storing all of your plants comfortably. Lastly, but certainly not least, this versatile greenhouse is unique in that it also comes with a polyester cover that can provide shade in the summer, making it something you can use all year long. Number 2. Eagle Peak Mini Rolling Greenhouse. If easy portability is the most important consideration for you, especially for keeping plants indoors, on a porch, or on a paved area, this rolling greenhouse with shelves might be the best option. It's available in 3 and 4 shelf versions, including options with clear PVC, green PE and mesh, and clear PE and mesh covers, depending on your plant's needs and the amount of sun available. There are no tools required for assembly of the powder-coated steel frame and shelves, which all rely on simple connectors. No matter the size and color greenhouse you choose, it comes with detachable wheels and a large zippered, roll-up door. Number 1. Mini Pop-Up Greenhouse Small. This mini greenhouse is a helpful tool for keeping a few potted plants, seedlings, or a small herb garden at a comfortable temperature indoors or outdoors. The frame and clear PVC cover have a pop-up design that doesn't require assembly. The manufacturer doesn't specify what the frame is made of, but it's constructed with a bendable material that is sturdy when upright yet can be folded down for storage, according to reviewers. Plus, the greenhouse comes with 4 steel ground stakes to secure it in place for extra security. It has a roll-up window for ventilation to keep humidity at a reasonable level as well as access for watering and general plant care.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.